Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick that every Canva user should know. How to resize a text box in Canva. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or personal projects, this tip will save you a ton of time and make your designs look professional. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step so you can master it in minutes. Selecting the text box. First, let's select the text box you want to resize. Simply click on the existing text box in your design. You'll notice small circles appear around the edges. These are called border handles and they're your resizing controls. Once your text box is highlighted, you're ready for the next step. Resizing technique. Now comes the fun part. Resizing. Move your cursor over any of the handles. You'll see it change into a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to adjust the size. Use the corner handles if you want to resize both the width and height at the same time. If you only want to adjust one dimension, grab the side handles. It's that easy. Just drag until the box fits your design perfectly. Text wrapping and adjustments. As you resize the text box, Canva automatically wraps the text to fit the new dimensions. But sometimes, text can look a little tight or misaligned. Don't worry, simply tweak the font size, line spacing, or even the alignment for the best readability. And here's a tip, Canva makes experimenting easy. You can always undo any change if it doesn't look right. Final review. Once you're happy with the size, take a moment to review your overall design. Make sure your resized text box looks balanced and harmonious with the other elements on your page. A quick check can make a huge difference in the final look of your design. And there you have it, a complete guide to resizing a text box in Canva. It's quick, easy, and incredibly useful for any project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.